leadership. They have authority, but aren't authoritarian.
I think we need to make a change, do something different.
I know who planted this virus.
They don't believe in power, but in the power of making.
She's on our tail. We need to get rid of her.
I wouldn't be the chef I am without my team.
They show greatness without making others small.
We have invented technology that will change the world as we know.
They have calculus, but they trust their feelings.
You can actually feel and touch in a virtual space. Could you imagine?
They can take a blow and come out punching stronger. They lead the way and leave no one behind.
Breaking news, a young computer specialist has stopped the virus that has hit at least 100.
They are coming after us.
Looking for trouble?
No. Just for talent.
The new Insignia. German technology for everyone. Opel. The future is everyone's.